Good morning, children. Wish you happy Independence Day. So, we are far away from the school. We are out of the school, at home, watching TV, reading lessons, question answers. Yes. So, how did you celebrate this Independence Day? Some of them have brought flags. Some of them have draped the national flag with colors. Okay, so I'm giving you some activity today. As we all are Indians, we should be very much proud of India and our freedom fighters. So, how did you celebrate this year's Independence Day at being home? This is your activity. You should write minimum 15 to 20 lines of essay. Okay, so you might have drawn national flag, freedom fighters, pictures, or you can have bring by the pictures of freedom fighters, write their names, about their life story. Like example, Mahatma Gandhi. He is the leader of them and he is the father of our nation. We can write about his life. He said non-violence. Non-violence is the weapon by which we can win anything and everything. And we can say Subhash Chandra Bose. What is the slogan of Subhash Chandra Bose? Subhash Chandra Bose said, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Okay, so that means give me blood, I will give you independence. And we have Sangoli Rayana from Karnataka, Kittur Rani Channamma, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, भगत सिंह, झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, many of them who have given freedom with their sacrificing of their life. So let us do the activity of writing about their life story and what is the role in the independence of India. Okay? Yes. So today we are going to write down the question answers in our class works of March poem. We have discussed earlier March. What is March? March is the third month, but in that month, what are the changes we can see? The streams are flowing, the cocks are crowing, the birds are twittering, the grass is green, and oxes, horses, cattle, all are grazing like, feeding like one. So these are this. And here is a question, how many seasons do we have in a year? We all know that spring, summer, autumn and winter. Yes. Next we have, which season comes after winter? Yes, after winter season we have spring season. Next one, what changes do we see in nature in spring? During spring season, nature is greenish everywhere. We can see colorful flowers blooming in all plants, creeps and trees. Next we have question answers. Discuss with your partner. Who are at work? Yes, everyone tell me who are at work? Yes, the oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. Next one, why are the cows not raising their heads? We have seen in the image why the cows are not grazing they are grazing but not raising their heads. Yes, they are feeding, 40 feeding like one. Next one, what is the plowboy doing? The plowboy is saying anon, anon. On the whoop of the barrel, the plowboy is whooping anon, anon. Next one, why does the poet say that the snow is only on the top of the barrel? So the poet is saying the snow is on the top of the barrel, but it cannot stand in the air or on the middle because it is defeating, it is not winning this. It was spring season, so the snow is only on the top of the barrel. Most of the snow was melted in the warm spring season. Next we have, why is the poem called March? The poem describes nature as seen in the month of March, so it is called March. Once again, the poem describes nature as seen in the month of March, so it is called March. It is springtime. We say that in the month of March we can see everywhere greenery and all are busy. The farmers are also busy in their work and children also busy in exam. So he is calling it as March. Next we have one activity. Pick out the rhyming words in the poem and write them down. Crowing, flowing. So these are rhyming words. What is the meaning of rhyming words? Rhyming words are words which which sounds similar at the end of the words, like ing, crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter. These are mostly in poems, not in lessons. We can find out the rhyming words in the poems. Youngest, strongest, grazing, raising, defeated, retreated. Defeated means ಸೋಲಿಸೋದು, retreated ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕೋದು. Ill, hill. These are rhyming words. Ill means ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ. Hill ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳು. Mountain ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳು. Mountains are ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಪ್ರದೇಶ. Mountains, fountains. Now tell me, what is the meaning of fountain? ನೀರಿನ ಕಾರಂಜಿ. Yes. Next one is sailing, prevailing. Once again repeat after me. Crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter, youngest, strongest, grazing, raising, defeated, retreated, ill, hill, mountains, fountains, sailing, prevailing. Okay. So next in the next class we are going to discuss about the Good Samaritan. If you have purchased a book, read the lesson. So what is the quality of a human being? As we all are human beings living in the same society, we have some characters which should be followed. So that is the lesson of Good Samaritan. How the man helps his enemy and how he takes care of him. That is in the lesson. So before attending the next class, read the lesson, The Good Samaritan. I hope you all have writing the question answers in the classwork and bring the classworks for correction. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Bye.